to the channel, guys. Today we're doing something a little bit different. It has nothing to do with cars at all. We're actually headed to the shop right now to go pick up my truck and my trailer, and we're gonna meet my friend Jules at the shop, and we're actually gonna go pick up a piano. I'll see you guys at the shop. Jules? Made it to the shop, got the trailer hooked up. Jules is in tow. We're on the way. So we just scooped the piano. It was a hell of a trip loading it into the trailer. But we are on our way back home, about to grab some snacks. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'm fiending. Oh shit. FTP for the boys. We've made quite the haul. Jules got him a gourmet pepperoni pizza, some OJ. What is this? Country Fair? What is it called?
I don't know what brand.
We'll give you a rating in 30 seconds. Sponsorship deal? I'm about to check the tight house. All right, we have two new pianos in the trailer, tied down, and me and Jules muscled them in there. We're about to be on our way home now. My man is destroying that gas station pizza. All right, give us a gas station pizza rate.
For gas station pizza, I'd say it's about a 5 out of 10.
A 5 out of 10? That's solid.
I
That's
mean,
solid.
Look at that. That fell off of the pizza that I last ate. So, I mean, it's nice to have it at the end.
Yeah.
I like to have it all in the beginning too.
There you go. Back safe and sound. I know this is a little bit different of a video, but I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.